Hi everyone, welcome back to My Lady Disdain. I'm Sandy.
And I'm John.
And we have a fun video for you today. We have another unboxing. We made a plea to Smart Doll Chaos. And we got a wig order. Well, John did.
Yes, we pled for wigs and they gave us wigs.
And so we're really excited. We couldn't wait to unbox this, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox it and show you what we got. And we actually have some of the dolls here, and we may try them on for you and see which wig fits on which doll. Hopefully there'll be one for our Gemini that we just got. And if you like unboxings, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing, because we have a bunch of wish list items with Smart Doll, and we know that there are going to be a few more unboxings coming up in the future.
Yeah, at least a couple, sadly.
Yeah.
Or not, for you.
We're weak. Sorry. No, not sorry.
Sorry, not sorry.
Let's go ahead and open this, John.
All right. Can you give me the... It is silver.
Ooh.
And
brown.
Brown. And brown.
I'm excited about the silver.
This almost makes me wonder. It's like, whose is this? Is this another Gemini wig?
That would be pretty interesting.
Then we can really go twinsies.
Yeah.
Wonder Twin powers activate!
We actually were considering making Harper and our new Gemini twins.
Or at least siblings.
Yeah, siblings.
This is, I'm guessing this is actually Genesis.
Oh, it could be. And Crimson, I believe? Maybe?
I have no idea. We can probably look it up.
That wig is sweet. Oh, wow, I love this. It's like multiple, there's a few shades in here. Like there's like a dark gray, a light silver, and I don't know, it seems like there might be like a beigey color in there too.
I don't know.
It might just be the two.
Shades of gray.
It might just be the two. But the thing about the Chaos wigs, I don't see anything wrong with this wig at first glance. Like, I guess it might be something that was cut wrong, or, you know, just didn't quite make the pretty strict quality control that Danny has.
Well, I mean, I can only imagine if it got to this point that it's probably styling.
Yeah, it could be. That it just didn't end up styled the right way or something.
You know, like they cut a segment too short or something.
Yeah. Oh, I can't wait to try this one on. This might be a good candidate for Gemini. Actually, at the same time I was going, I'd like to see this on Luma.
Wow, because that's very Chitose.
Yeah. So that's definitely a good one to try. Let me open this one. This one is really cute. It's not as exciting. It does have longer hair in the back, which is, it's definitely not Gemini, because the hair is longer back here. It's actually...
Do you want to compare?
Yeah, why don't you go get his wig. Yeah, there's a shape to this. I think it might be Genesis, but I don't have her, so I don't know. Oh, it's got a cut in the front. It's cut with sort of a peak in the front.
So this is Harper wearing the Gemini wig.
Yeah, it's not... It could just be a Genesis wig that didn't get cut the same, but... I mean, a Gemini wig. But it looks like there's definitely a peak in the back that is not...
Considering Gemini isn't really being made...
Yeah.
I find it hard to believe that it would be in chaos right now.
Right. This wig has like a peak in the back, like a point that comes down. You can see this is the top of the head where my thumbs are.
Which this doesn't quite, a little bit, but it, you know, yours.
And the colors are slightly different.
Yep. This is almost a little bit more into like a maple.
Yeah.
It has a little yellow in it.
So I don't know. I don't think it's. It could be Genesis. I don't think it's Gemini. And then there's this peak cutout in the front. Like the bangs have a sharp cut.
I think we should bring out
Our
the
other,
only other
other
piece of
chaos that we got
Yeah, this is, I don't know,
a couple weeks ago.
Yeah. So this is a Chaos Cinnamon Genesis 2.
G7, I
Yep.
believe. Yeah. So she's wearing the dauntless. She's using the dauntless eyes. We didn't get eyes with her.
That's where the dauntless eyes
that's
went.
where the dauntless eyes are. Oh, she's gonna borrow Harper's body.
She doesn't have to.
No, she can. It's okay.
She can borrow vignettes if that makes you feel better.
No, Harper is here.
No one needs to see this.
Live, do you hear me? Give my creation life!
I cannot do this the Danny way. I have to do it my way. Which I can't seem to do my way either.
Yeah. Oh, that's an interesting
Angle. I'm taking her away here. This is tight. Maybe that's why it's chaos.
Although I have found that most of, I mean, this is not, necessarily a CJ thing, but, including the Gemini wig, small wigs just tend to be tighter for some reason.
This wig is very cute. This may be a Luma candidate. It's got that soft sort of semi-messy, fringy. I really actually like this wig.
Yeah, and I like this. I honestly like whether this is like why it's chaos or not. I like sort of this messy fringe that it's got going on.
Yeah, I like it too. It's very natural looking. It's very, very cool. All right. Happy so far?
Yeah, yay for short wigs.
Yep. We now have several short brown wigs now, though. We have. We've got a range to choose from.
But some of them we were having styling issues with, so it gives us at least the freedom to.
We should try this one on Gemini too. It's a little bit. The shape is a little bit different.
Okay, so I mean, we can certainly try stuff on Gemini. Who do you want to try this on?
I want to see it on Gemini.
Okay.
I really do. I want to see what that does for him.
He's gonna blend into his sweater here. Yeah, it just gets folded under itself.
Maybe it goes to the side a little more.
Now with that,
Regardless, I don't think it's him.
that's more appropriate.
I like the cut. I think I'm not sure I like him with silver hair. I think I want to see that on Luma.
I think though I've got the positioning now.
Yeah,
Like,
that
looks
looks
like the
right.
right framing.
Yep.
Now that I'm gonna take it off.
And try this one on him. I'm gonna peel this one off of her.
Okay.
So this is similar to his own wig, but it's a little bit of a different shape. And the one thing that we have had a tendency to not like with Gemini's wig is that it's very full. You don't normally see, at least here, we don't normally see a lot of guys with that big round hair. This wig's a little bit longer, a little bit more shaggy. I think I like it.
Yeah, I can't quite get the positioning right, but let's see what it looks like for now on him.
Yeah, I really like the relaxedness of this cut. It's got lots of shagginess to it.
Yep.
And it's a little bit less full than his own wig.
Then you've got two similar wigs to if you want, if we wanted to do brother and sister, or twins. Not that even really matters all that much.
Yeah.
She is so very cute.
She is very, very pretty.
I wish we had a body for her.
Yeah.
We also really want Genesis 2 in
We
T.
want her in T.
Yeah.
We don't have a T girl yet, and we were really struck by her. So we're hoping.
Yeah. So she, who knows? She may get a body someday, or she may get rehomed with somebody who has a body waiting for her. Okay. So anything else we want to try before we're done?
We wanted to put this wig, but we could put it on her, I guess. I was going to say put it on Luma, but we could just put it on...
Oh, we can do.
Let's put it on Luma.
Luma's still wearing the Zazu wig from our review video the other day. Link somewhere up there.
Someplace.
And she normally wears, well, it's a little... This is like was this a Leaky World?
Yeah, this is a Leaky World wig. It's a little bit disheveled at the moment, but...
She usually wears this, so just like sort of shoulder length bob.
And it's sort of unkempt, so it's kind of cute. It looks like a little bookworm is like hanging out. It's kind of mousy.
So this will sort of bring Chitose Multiverse back to her original look.
That's true.
Went on perfectly.
That is adorable on her. I love it.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Yeah, it very much works for her. I love this cut too. I like the shape of it.
Yeah, it has that sort of shagginess, but also gets the hair out of her face, which is nice.
So we still don't have the wig for Gemini.
No, we're on the hunt.
Yeah, we're on the hunt. We have a concept. We're seeking out things to be his aesthetic and looking for some wigs. Yeah, if you know what this other brown wig is, please let us know. We don't know. Let us know in the comments. We thought it might be Genesis, but
yeah, it's hard to say. Some of these wigs get really subtle, but I want to say it's Genesis. That's my best guess at this point.
Yeah.
But I'm sure we could probably find it, look it up. But please, yeah, throw it in the comments.
And I'm pretty sure this one is Crimson, but it's certainly looking like it's Chitose right now.
It's mine.
So that was another wig try-on from us. These are the two that we got from Chaos. I think we're pretty happy with them. I think we can definitely make use of both wigs.
Yeah, I will say I have shied away from like fantastical colors for so long, and now I'm like, we have so many blonde and brown wigs. So I think it's time.
This is our first gray, though. This is our first silver gray. So
that's very true.
That's pretty cool.
So I'm looking forward to, some more interesting colors in our future.
Yeah, there's some wigs some CJ wigs that I actually would really like to have that we do not have yet. So that's it for John, Gemini, Luma, and I. If you'd like to see more of our content, you can follow us over on Instagram. You can follow John at
Smart Doll Folio if you want to see my Smart Doll photography.
And you can follow me at My Lady Disdain with underscores. Thanks.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.